and welcome to my iOS 11.2.5 jailbreak tutorial. In this video I'm going to show to you how to jailbreak the new iOS 11.2.5 but also all previous versions of iOS 11. So if you have any version of iOS 11, then you're good to go. Now simply start your Safari browser and go to this address here, Pangu 11.mobile. And here you will get an explanation how it works. And basically they will tell you that they have hidden the Jailbreak and Cydia inside of approved applications. So, since the applications are approved by Apple, you can download and install them. And when you run those apps, then the Jailbreak and Cydia will be installed in the background. So anyway, go to pangu11.mobile and scroll to the bottom and click on this icon here to get to the Jailbreak injected apps store. And here you will get some more information. Just click on the link here to get to the Jailbreak injected apps store. There we go. Now, there will also be crap here like Apple Music. That's no app. That has got nothing to do with the jailbreak. I don't even know why that crap is there. It shouldn't be here, but it is. But ignore that. What you need to do here is find apps, because all the apps in this store, in this app store, are Cydia and Jailbreak injected. So let's go for this one. What they mean is run it for 30 seconds to install the jailbreak. Their English is a bit off, but anyway. And my fingers are too fat, I can't hit. There we go. Now, like I said, as you know, you can't install applications that have not been approved by Apple. So you cannot install Cydia onto a device that has not been jailbroken. But you can of course install apps that has been approved by Apple, like this Castle Clash, for example. Now the Pangu team has simply hidden the Jailbreak and Cydia inside of this application. So since this is an approved application, you can download it and install it. And when you run it, the Jailbreak and Cydia will also be installed in the background. So the Jailbreak and Cydia is hidden from Apple. So that way they can sneak in the Jailbreak onto your device and then install Cydia. The reason you need to start the app and keep it running for about 30 seconds is because when you start this app, then the Jailbreak installation and the Cydia installation, the Jailbreak process will start in the background. So you start the app and then you keep it running for about 30 seconds to give the Jailbreak time to install itself. And then you're simply going to reboot your device to finish the Jailbreak process. And hopefully there are smaller apps for you available when you do this. This Castle Clash app seems to be quite big. Anyway, Apple sometimes patches these apps. So if you try an app and it doesn't work, then simply go back to the Jailbreak injected app store and pick another app. Of course, all of the apps are 100% free, so you got nothing to lose. And like I said, there are apps on the list in the App Store, but there are also some other strange things that shouldn't be there at all and doesn't have anything to do with Jailbreak. So just ignore them. When you click the link and you get a list of apps and other crap, just download and install and run the apps. Ignore the others. The others got nothing to do with the Jailbreak. Like I said, I don't know why they're there. They shouldn't be there at all. But ignore them. Perhaps they're clickbait, I don't know. But go for the apps in the App Store and ignore the rest. And like I said, if it doesn't work on the first app, then simply go back and pick another app and try that one instead. Usually it works right away, but sometimes you need to try a few different apps before you get it to work. And this installation takes a bit of time, but it should soon be done. Or at least I hope so. So I'm not falling asleep here. There we go. And right now, the Jailbreak is being installed in the background. So right now we are just going to keep the app open for about 30 seconds to give the Jailbreak time to install itself. And after about 30 seconds, You don't have to do anything in the game if you don't want to, it doesn't matter. After 30 seconds, which should be very soon, like now or something, the jailbreak should have had plenty of time now to start the jailbreak process in the background. So now we're just going to restart our device and to finish the jailbreak process. So press the power button and then slide to turn off, slide the power off. And if you wonder about that blinking thing, it's the proximity sensor. You can't see it with your naked eye, but it's there. If you try to record your iPhone, then you will also see that blinking there. It can only be seen when you record it, when you watch your phone from a video. So I don't see that blinking normally either. A lot of people have been wondering, what the hell is that blinking? But it's supposed to be there. It's all fine. Now, like I said, usually this works right away, like it did this time. When you see that Pangu symbol, it's a good sign. But if it doesn't work the first try, then simply try another app. They are all 100% free, of course, so you got nothing to lose. Now it's just finishing up the jailbreak process and installation of Cydia. And here we go. There we have Cydia on iOS 11. Oh, sorry, go away. My fingers are too fat. There we go. There you have it, Cydia on the new iOS 11.2.5. Now, if you like this video, then please do comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Peace.